Hey! Step it up. Hey, drop the chainsaw. Drop the chainsaw. One at taser point.
The suspect would later be identified as 41-year-old Daniel Escalera. Despite repeated commands, it appears he has no intention of surrendering.
Oh my God. Hey, drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! I got one at taser point. Step it up. We'll be in the front lobby. Drop it! Drop it! Drop it!
Subject in the front lobby.
You want me to leave? Yes.
Step it up.
I'm leaving here without my lady. Where is she?
Step it up!
Where's my...
Drop it!
I just want my wife, man. I just want...
Listen, man.
I don't want to...
Taser up, one! Taser... Hey! Hey! Hey, right here! He's right here! He's right here!
Come on.
Get him out.
Come here.
Guys, upstairs! Upstairs! Oh! You gotta get tased! You gotta get tased!
The officers fire and miss several times before a final shot from Officer Heike hits Daniel's chest, sending him to the ground.
And 975 was after recording state travels explained on the media.
Got it. Come on. What's up? Move your... Sorry. Yeah. Okay. All right. All right. You're good. All right. You're good. Hey, Steve, get out here. Come on, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. I got you.